Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about how to create product mockups in Canva. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Let's dive right in. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to canva.com on your browser, or if you have the app, that's way better. This is the homepage. The first thing that I want to show you is where you can find the mockups here in Canva. And to go to the mockups section of Canva, look at the left-hand panel and click on Apps. Once you click on Apps, you should find some recommended items on the left in which you have the option to go to mockups. So let's click on that. Now we're in the mockup section of Canva. There are different types of mockups that we can do. We can make mockups for technology, for print, packaging, apparel, and even mockups for home and living. And in each category, they all have their own subcategories. In technology, we can make mockups for smartphones, desktops, laptops, tablets, watches, and many more. So for today's tutorial, we're going to be making mockups for a t-shirt, and to find the t-shirts, we're going to have to click on apparel. Once we click on that, we have a few more subcategories such as sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, sportswear. We can even create mockups for toddlers' clothes, face masks, and even accessories such as tote bags. So going back, we're going to create a simple t-shirt mockup. So I'm going to click on this one. And when I click on that, it brought me to the t-shirt mockup section. As I scroll down, there are a lot of options you can choose from when it comes to show how you want to see your design on a t-shirt. It can be either on a person who's already wearing the shirt, or if you look at the more detailed categories over here, you can specify whether you want the t-shirt to be for men, for women, if you want it in long sleeves, kids t-shirts, teens t-shirts, if you want the design to be unisex, or garment only and flat laid. So I'm gonna scroll down here to check on the designs and choose which image will be perfect for the design of our mockup today. Now I think I like this one, so we're gonna click on this one. And when we do that, we should be able to see the template here, wherein if you scroll down, you'll also have the options to choose from if you're not exactly happy with your first choice. So these are similar templates to the one you chose. Now let's say I'm happy with this one, but I don't have the design yet. What we're gonna do is we're going to go back to canva.com and create the design. So now I'm just going to type down t-shirt over here at the search bar, and it should give me this suggestion. Now over here we have the t-shirt templates wherein we can choose from existing designs and edit them, or we can also create a new design. Now to make this tutorial faster, I'm just going to choose a design in the templates and edit that. Now I found this design over here that says Hello Autumn, and I think this is a good template because it's close to what I want to see in the mockup that we're going to be doing today. Now we're here in the editing section of Canva. Now what I want to do is I'm going to change this background into a white background for now, because once we apply this design on the t-shirt, we can always change the background color from there. Now I'm going to be removing this element down here, resize this one to make it bigger, place it in the center, and I'm going to add design to the background, and I'm gonna change this color into a yellow or orange. Right click to send it to back. Maybe I want to see two of these backgrounds. There we go. And add some text at the bottom. Bring the text down here, change the font to a handwritten font. Okay, so I can say that I'm happy with the design now. What we're gonna have to do is download the design. So we can do that by clicking on the share button up here, download, and then make sure to tick this transparent background option and then click on download. Once the download is done, you can now go back to the mockup section in Canva, wherein we chose a photo and click select. Now you're gonna have to upload that design that we just created. So we can do that by clicking on upload up here, search for the design in your files, and then you should see your design here. So this is the design that we created earlier, and I'm gonna click on that and then click on select down here. Now it just generated the design for us in the t-shirt. We have the option to change the color over here on the right side. And since we downloaded the image in PNG without a background, the design doesn't appear with a rectangular background. So feel free to choose the color that you want to see in your own design. And once you're done choosing the color that you want, click on anywhere outside of the color tool. And then you have this option to adjust the image, like this one for example. Our design is being cropped here at the collar area of the shirt. So we're gonna have to fix that. And to do so, I believe I'm gonna have to resize it just a little bit, make it smaller, and keep it at the bottom. Now I think that's good for now. So I'm gonna click on save to see how it looks this time. I believe that's better because it shows the design fully. So we're gonna have to save the mockup now. If you click on save, this should pop up wherein you can either use it in a design or download it. And now we have a nice mockup of a t-shirt design all created in Canva. Remember that aside from the t-shirt mockups, you can create a lot more with Canva's mockup app. Just go to canva.com, click on apps on the left panel, go to mockups, then you can search over 8,000 mockups to apply to your design or even images on. Whether you need a mockup design for technology, for packaging, print, mugs, t-shirts, or even pillows, chances are you can find it here in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button for more videos like this. See you on the next video!